So you're getting the service vehicle soon, warning coming up when you start up your car. If you put your scan tool into your OBD2 port and you're coming up with no fault codes, there's a good chance that it's coming from the oil pressure sensor, or it's telling you that you got bad oil pressure. Full dipstick of oil in your car will, good chance the sensor's bung. That's what I've found anyway. I'll just show you where to find it and how to swap it out. So this is where we've got the oil filter, and down below it here is the oil pressure sensor, or oil pressure switch. So it's just got a little plug on it there, which you just unclip out of the way. Alright, if you use a 27mm deep drive socket and then just a short extension bar, you'll be able to reach in underneath your power steering thing with your ratchet and just get it undone without having to undo much other stuff. Right, there's the old one. Just grab your replacement one and put that in. Give it a crank up with your socket again, not too tight because it's all alloy. Right, just plug that cord back in. Should be good to go. So there you go. Got rid of that service vehicle soon reminder.